While I'm sitting here, I can hear my tinnitus blaring away. I can go outside relatively close. We have a 4-lane street and I can hear my tinnitus over that street. But I'm not bothered by it. So habituation, in my opinion, is the complete absence of a negative reaction to a benign body sensation, a symptom, if you will. We know that tinnitus is now classified also as a disease, but it is not the sound that's classified as a disease. It is the ensuing psychological and physiological effects and aspects of tinnitus that classify it into a disease and not a symptom anymore. The sheer experience of tinnitus is still a symptom. So the experience of a sound, hissing, buzzing is a symptom and not a disease. And it is something that is absolutely normal in 20 to 25% of the average population. So habituation is something that is achievable for anyone. I always say if you're human and if you have a brain, then you can reach the stage of habituation and can get to habituation.